Boys and girls, this is Jason with Jay's Garage, and behind me we have the Integra. Today I'm going to be cleaning up the engine bay some and installing a Skunk2 Alpha header. And I'll just kind of walk you through how to install the header, and I'm going to attempt to paint the motor and trans with it in the bay still. We'll just see how that goes.
So pretty much as you can see, I've got the perp power there. I'm just kind of spraying down everything in the engine bay. Make sure you get it real good, just like this. Just make sure everything's good and soaked. And then you're going to be taking something kind of like a toothbrush and just agitate the dirt. And if you have a pressure washer, that's a plus. But I don't, so I'm just going to be using a high pressure nozzle on the hose pipe. And after I scrub it down with a toothbrush, I'll be spraying it off. You just want to kind of take a toothbrush and scrub what you can off. Kind of do that all over everything and spray it off, and it should come out pretty clean.
So as you can see behind me here, we've got the engine bay cleaned up pretty nicely. Now we're going to be prepping to pull the header, drain the coolant and all that to get everything out the way so we can paint the motor and trans.
This is just kind of where we're sitting on the engine bay. Coolant's drained, all the hoses and air filters out the way, and now we have free access to the transmission. I already had the condenser fan removed, so no need to take that out to remove the header. Alright, next up you're going to undo these two bolts and just make sure you don't lose the spring and everything that comes with those, because you will be reusing them on the new header. 99% of the time with an aftermarket header, you're going to have to take and have the flange cut off and put on the new header to have it bolt up, or you're going to have to have it welded. Right, and just like that, the header should drop straight down. Just like that. Alright, block and trans is painted. Time to install the header. Header's installed. Ended up having to take off the radiator fan, upper hose, coolant reservoir, move everything to the side to fit it in and get it bolted up. But it's in. First initial startup with the new header. As I said before, I'm going to take it to the exhaust shop and have it fabricated up to the new header. So it's about to be loud, but here we go. Skunk2 header install and painting the block and transmission. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a subscription, and I'll be posting more on the updates on the Integra as I go along.